Lewis! Are you scared? Lewis's first time flying. Oh shit.
I feel violated.
Are they gentle?
Double check your seatbelts, you're doing clear for departure.
Do you think that margaritas are gay because they are so sweet?
Did someone tell you that?
How do you feel?
Sick. Just need another drink.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome to Dallas for SBK 2019. So we got Lewis Stunts here on his new CRF 250, maybe street legal, maybe not. And I am on this beautiful, semi-clapped out, handbrake friendly Honda Grom. I just put on my camera bag here, so we got that going for us. And yeah, we're gonna send it. So we're gonna be riding with the Slow Fast crew. Got my new hoodie, which you guys can't see, but yeah, we're in for some adventures this weekend. It feels so weird. All right, I gotta get used to this guy. Oh, it's got stock gearing too, so that's different. So we're gonna head over to the stunt lot, kind of get familiar with these bikes. Tomorrow is the big ride, SBK Spring Break 2019. So 600 plus riders supposed to make it out for this ride. But shout out to the Slow Fast crew. They picked us up at the airport, gave us the VIP treatment.
Circle jerk?
I know we're gonna rotate these bars back before tomorrow, but we'll see what we can do right now. I got this thing. We might be okay. But the bars are like forward, so mine are back, so it feels weird. It's okay. We'll get there. Tap this guy off. So shout out to Alex. Alex is hooking it up. Link to his social media right here. Boop. On WR450. He's gonna try not to loop that thing out. Hey.
Hey.
Hi. Alright. We're at the stunt lot. Let's figure this fucker out. Oh, fuck. It's okay, it's got sliders. This thing's so weird. Stock gearing. No, like I try to keep turning, but I hit the curve. Alright, I'll keep trying. This fucker has stock gearing, which means I gotta give it more gas. Let's try. Yep. So we're just practicing trying to learn these freaking bikes. I wonder how seconds are. You're gonna be hating life at the end of the weekend. I'm gonna fuck with your bars when we get back.
Alright.
Did they get? Have they always been like forward, or was that after you crashed?
Forward a little bit. Well, you have a zip tie with you?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't know how it came undone. It just came on. It looks like the bolt fell out.
A little maintenance here. Is that big enough?
That's what she said.
Damn, Lewis. So basically I can do first gear wheelies for sit downs, maybe second gear stand-ups. It's like chasing all the way to balance point. See how Lewis likes it. Pop that bitch up. So that's Alex. This is his bike. He's on a 450. I do appreciate it, Alex. Thank you for letting me borrow this. All right, let me try G's bike real quick. Oh, this one feels a little bit better. The clutch is a little far out. Oh, no, 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 no. There's no turning that motherfucker. I don't like that. So this thing is too far out. So you see where my hand is? For me to transition, I always transition my index finger to the clutch. For me to do that, I gotta go around this motherfucker. Basically, I gotta go down the state, come back up, and then I get on the clutch lever. No, no, no. I can't ride this anymore. This has to go in like a mile. It's just a little bit fucked up compared to mine. There's like little pieces of every bike I like, and then fucking things I hate. Like, how do you get? Do you do this like with this finger?
No, I transfer. I use one finger.
How do you get around this? Like between like getting from there to there when I'm popping up, like holy shit, there's nothing I do because I don't touch the foot brake.
How's your setup?
This will be over more, so my hand's here, so this will be like right here. So when I pop it, like the donuts here, it's like that, then I just go like that instead of doing. The handbrake feels really good. I mean, if you got a habit of it, that's all it is. My muscle memory is just like this. It's like boop and go like that. So I'm doing it and I'm like getting like stuck. I'm like, fuck, man. Yeah, Alex is better on that. See how it's like right here? Yeah. So then you can almost go like this. Yeah, because look, this is starting to, when I'm pulling this in, so I'd have to be gripping like way out here to get that. You know what I'm saying? It just feels awkward. Let's get back on Alex's. Alex's is feeling better and better. Alright, we're gonna take a break from doing the wheelies and take some pictures. Testing out the camera setup. I think this will work nice. Wheelies, you know what? We're gonna try some second gears once we leave here. First gears, stand-ups, okay. Sit-downs, maybe, but it's not gonna be a wheelie weekend. That's okay. We'll have fun with this anyway. Take a little break, pick it up in a bit. Look at that sunset, beautiful. Scrape. So Lewis just rode this guy around. He made a good point. This fucking cage is heavy in the front, so popping it up is tricky, but we might try to put a 34 tooth, or excuse me, a 37 tooth in the back, get it back to what I have. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That'd be nice. I'm gonna try to fuck around a little bit longer, see what I can learn on this guy. Does this thing pull up quick? CRF 250, knobbies, headlight that shines inward. Oh, my butt's vibrating. What the fuck? Nope. No wheelies on this thing. Dude, you told me this doesn't pop up quick. This thing popped right up. Nope. All right, YouTube, I gotta give a special thanks. So this is what I'm talking about. You heard me talk about it many times if you've been here for a minute. The Grom community is fucking amazing in this country. I swear to God. So shout out to the Slow Fast crew for hooking it up with all the hospitality. It's been, you know, we've been here like 4 hours, but it's been fucking amazing. So I love the Grom community. For those that don't know me, I got 2 Groms still left over. Groms will never go anywhere. I'll always keep at least one of them in the garage. This community is just something special. Hey, bud. G right there. G made this happen. A lot of what made this happen. So, got to be appreciative to the people that kind of put this stuff together. Look at this. Oh, shit. Damn, Lewis. Alright, first full circle on this bitch. Yeah, we got it. 2 circles. We're getting there. But out of all the Groms I've ridden tonight, this one is actually, you know, when I first got on it, I was like, oh no, this one is actually my favorite. So Alex, good job, and everyone that helped him out last night. They put on a new stainless steel line on the handbrake because there was a mad bubble in the other one, I guess. But rocking the Core Moto, so that's awesome. So yeah, I'm excited about this weekend. It's gonna be crazy, man. This is just the start of it.
Connected.